Have you ever done a chemistry problem where you're not sure which reactant runs out first? That's exactly what the limiting reagent is, and once you understand it, these problems get way easier. By the end of the video, you'll be able to find the limiting reagent step by step. Think of it like making sandwiches. You need 2 slices of bread and 1 slice of cheese to make 1 sandwich. So let's say we have 6 slices of bread and 2 slices of cheese. Now the question is, which ingredient runs out first? Do you have an idea? Is it the bread or is it the cheese? The limiting reagent is the thing that runs out first, and that's what limits how much product you can make, in this case a sandwich. So cheese was the limiting reagent. Now let's do an actual chemistry problem. Here we're making water, H2O. So let's say that we're given 4 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen in our reaction solution. The question is, which will run out first? The fastest and easiest way to approach a problem like this is to convert one reactant to the other and compare what you need versus what you have. In this example, we're going to convert hydrogen into oxygen using the mole ratio from the balanced equation. Now remember that oxygen has a 1 coefficient that's hidden. So our molar ratio for our balanced equation is 2, 1, 2. So when we work out this problem, we take what we're given. We'll start off with the 4 moles of hydrogen gas. And then we'll convert them to our other reactant, oxygen. Keep in mind that everything is kept in moles for our units. Using dimensional analysis, we get that we need 2 moles of oxygen. Remember, this was done by comparing the molar ratio of our reactants to products in our balanced equation. So now that we know how many moles of oxygen we need if we're given 4 moles of hydrogen, we can compare that with the 1 mole of oxygen that was given. Since we know that we need 2 moles of oxygen to react with all the hydrogen, but we're only given 1, oxygen will run out first. Therefore, oxygen will limit how much product we make. So, oxygen is our limiting reagent. Here are some of the biggest mistakes that I see students make. Comparing grams instead of moles, not using the molar ratio from the balanced equation, and also forgetting to convert the reactants. Remember, always convert to moles first, and always use the coefficients from the balanced equation. Pause the video and try this one out. You have a similar balanced equation, but you're given different quantities of reagents. You can ask yourself which one runs out first. And pause the video now. If you said hydrogen is the limiting reagent, then you're right. The work to solve this is on the next slide. So we'll follow the same procedure as the other problems. First, we're going to use what was given to us, and then we're going to convert one reactant to another reactant using the balanced equation molar ratio. We find that we need 1 mole of oxygen, but we're given 2. So oxygen must be in excess and it cannot be the limiting reagent. So our only other reactant, hydrogen, must be the limiting reagent. Thanks for watching.